Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about the benefits of having a USD digital dollar account and some of the things that you can do with a digital dollar account. So overall, a digital dollar account makes it easy for you to on-ramp. That means go from your local currency to crypto, and also off-ramp from crypto to your local currency easily. So we essentially make it easy for you to go from traditional currency to crypto and from crypto to traditional currency. Pretty much like a bank account online, but you're dealing with crypto as well. We also support a lot of countries except prohibited countries by the US. With a digital dollar account, you can send a payment or payout to an individual like yourself, friend or family, or a business in US dollars if they require US dollars, USD, or they can receive it in their local currency. So you go from crypto to digital dollars and from digital dollars to traditional dollars or your local currency. So with this process, you can keep your funds and reserve in crypto to hedge against inflation or to have some liquidity around buying crypto. And then when you need to send a payment, when you need to pay an individual or a business, you can go ahead and essentially convert that to digital dollars and then to actual currency. The next benefit is that you can easily convert from one crypto to another crypto. Then from there, you can actually off-ramp or convert it to US dollars or your local currency. So for example, if you have Bitcoin, let's say that's crypto number one, and you want to go ahead and convert it to Ethereum, because let's say the price of Ethereum went up significantly. So you convert it to Ethereum, and then you need to pay somebody in their local currency or US dollars. Then you can easily go ahead and convert that to US dollars within our platform and send a payout to yourself. Or leave it in Ethereum if you wish to do so, and then do it at a later time. So it's very easy to go from several types of cryptocurrencies to US dollars. The next benefit is that you can actually add a payment or what we call a deposit in your local currency and credit it in digital dollars. So essentially, if you are, for example, wanting to keep funds or save funds in the equivalent of US dollars, you would go ahead and send a payment or deposit in your local currency, and this will be converted to digital dollars. Once you're ready to use your digital dollars, you would have hedged against inflation or changes, and you can take advantage of keeping an account in US digital dollars. The next benefit is that once you have a digital dollar account with funds, it's very quick to withdraw your funds via wire to your local currency. We support many countries except the prohibited countries by the US, and we support sending wire to those countries. Click on the help links below to find out how you can add your bank account to receive or withdraw funds via your wire. The next benefit is that you can easily send or or receive your digital dollars instantly. So now that your local currency or US dollars are digitized, you can take a couple of seconds to a minute to send it to somebody else to their wallet with very, very low payment fees. And also you can send it to a lot of the different blockchain wallets. So we support many of the blockchains, and you can easily send your digital dollars as payment to anybody or receive digital dollars from anybody that has a wallet on the blockchain. The next advantage is that if you're new to crypto and want to get started buying or selling crypto, you can start with the most popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum using your card or Apple Pay. It is very easy to buy. The process takes a few seconds to a few minutes, and you can go ahead and use US dollars or your local currency. Now, if you're looking to do more sophisticated crypto buying and take advantage of small cap tokens and DeFi tokens, those that are like not available on centralized exchanges, but have huge potential gains, this can be new cryptocurrencies or existing ones that have huge gains. You can go ahead and trade or swap your cryptocurrency on our platform to take advantage and hold some of those small cap tokens or DeFi tokens. Once you're ready to withdraw and change them to or convert them to US dollars, you can easily do it on the platform. Another great advantage of having a digital dollar account is that you earn interest on your digital dollars to build your wealth. This requires participation on our Earn Interest program, and you can find out more on the links below. So if you decide to keep funds on your digital dollar account, you can be earning interest on your digital dollars. This interest is typically higher than what you would otherwise earn on your typical traditional brick and mortar bank. And last but not least is our Earn Dual Interest program, where you can earn dual interest on your digital dollars. It is a program that you need to sign up for, and here you take advantage of the dual interest banker strategy. If you need to learn more about it, this is the strategy that wealthy families have used for many generations and allows you to build and preserve your wealth with many great tax advantages. I invite you to check it out. It's a fantastic program. So I encourage you to go ahead and open a digital dollar account with us today. We offer also referrals if you want to invite your friends to sign up. Check out our referral program on the links below. And if you have any questions or need to find out more, feel free to contact us today. See you next time.